currently people are making money from WDD. Some amount of 10 USDT, 50 USDT, even 1000 USDT, and you also can join now. And it is simple. Just create accounts on the project, verify your identity, and start mining. Refer your friend, and simple as ABC. So in this video, I walk you through step by step how you can start and mine this project, and it is withdrawable. You can withdraw your fund from the project to any preferred wallet you want, either OKS, Web3, Trust Wallet, or and you can transfer or swap it to another token you want. So stick around until the end so that I don't miss any important. But before we dive in, on this channel we talk different ways to make money online and share the latest updates in crypto. So you are interested, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the comment section or description section of the video and join my Telegram channel. So check the link on the description section or the comment section of this video. Once you tap on the link, it will bring you to here. So after bringing you to here, tap on sign in. So here it's required to get started, or if you are already signed a create account, you see email. So here, so if you're new, tap on get started. So here, whether you continue on, you create on your email or go to go with Google. So me, I've created I have a account already, so I'll sign in. So I tap my so after type my email, type on this dot. So here the code will send to this to my email. So the code have the you see. So I'll copy the code and come back and type the code. So you can see activate basic income. You can see activate basic income. So you tap on it, you will start mining. You see, so every 24 hours you come here and claim your reward. So you can see I claim, so I receive 0.001. So it's very, very important to get into this project. So we come to onto the dot here. You see your wallet, your language. If you need any help, you can also follow them Telegram, X, and GitHub and other things. So you tap on the wallet section. You can see my DD is 0.01 is here. So here you can see submit ID not verified, temporary, is unavailable. So you go on this. So here that is that. So this is my second account. So let me show my real account or my currently mining account. So guys, after logging in my real account, this is let me claim this. You can see claim successful. So here tap on the date 3 dot here, come to wallet. You can see I've verified here. You just verify your name, is facial verification. Just so here see Coinbase verification not verified, and Binance account bound token coming soon. You can see here, and this is my account number. If you haven't verified, you will not see your account number, your account info, and you're invited by. So here is a danger to where you delete your account if you don't like. So here you see tap on deposit. Okay, let's go back. You come to withdraw section. So here this network is for base network. It is on base network. So that is it. And here let's come back. So here you will see savings here. Come and tap on the savings here. You see here you can deposit your all total amount and start saving it. So you mine here. Let's see, tap on max and tap on deposit. So after tap on deposit, every day the amount I have deposited here, it will collect some amount of WDD here to claim. So here I tap on collect, you see I collect it. So every day, so I have added to my account. So this is my balance. So it is simple as ABCD. So other ways to earn on this platform is by referrals. So here you share your invited code and copy. So you see here, to unlock your reward, your friend must use your link to sign up, activate basic income, and get their some sub ID verification complete. So it's simple as ABC. Maybe you want to withdraw from the where you deposit to collect the daily interest. So it is simple. Tap on withdraw and put the amount, and tap on withdraw. So here you see withdrawn. So it have removed from your deposit balance to your withdrawal section. So here is my total WD I have here. So keep mining. After you have accumulated some amount of WDD, you can withdraw. So here you tap on withdraw. Here is the network, is base network. You tap on max. So here it's like around 5 WDD that can be withdrawn. Yeah, it's like that. So keep mining on this project. In my next video, I'll make a withdrawal video, how to withdraw, how to add your contract address to the OKS or any Web3 you like. So continue mining on this project in my next video. Until my next video, to do the withdrawal, add the contract address. So here is the current price of WDD. So here you can see this is the current price of WDD. It's 0.005. so this coin, people are holding this coin. You can see holders are 35.2k, 35.22, 25,223, and top traders also here. Here are the top traders. People are trading this coin because this coin is very, very massive, and activities also here. You can see people are selling, people are buying these tokens. So you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the description section or the comment section if you enjoy my Telegram channel for further updates like this. Thank you. See you guys in my next video.